And bubble, no! But it makes a really nice sound. Okay, so for the clay, you can add how much ever you want. Super buttery, add lots of clay. If you don't want it too buttery, add a little bit of clay. Softer and nice. Really good ASMR. I'm gonna add a little. Okay, I have an idea. When you make it, you can use thick and glossy, which is half clear slime and half normal school glue. So if I were to make a thick and glossy butter slime, I would use 80 ml of school glue and 80 ml of clear glue. That's what the slime quantity is. And then put my clay in after I activate it. So there you have it, folks. How to make butter slime. You can color it, you can put glitter on it, you can do whatever after you're done. And this is super nice texture. And if you're wondering how to make the borax, here's a video right here. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye!